the two of us going for a weekend out. No kids, nothing. So we're going out for camping this weekend. A few kilometers from our homestead. So maybe 40 kilometers. There's a nice campsite there. So we'll spend the weekend without kids for the first time in a very long time. Yeah. But anyway, they will likely join us tomorrow during the day. They will come as a day trip, and then they'll go back home. And go back home on Sunday. So yeah.
Sunday. Only on Sunday.
We'll keep you updated on what will be happening at the campsite.
The main gate at Lake Oanob, you pay $30 per person, and they don't charge for vehicles. And once you go down to the road, you get to the reception. And from the reception area, they will show you where your campsite is, and then you have to locate it yourself and set camp right away. If you don't have an electric trailer mover, I advise you plan well where you really want your trailer to be, because if you are going to manually move it like we did, you only need to do it once, no revisions. It's a lot of work. If you don't believe me, just wait and see what happened to us.
You want to go that way?
No. The one to do.
I did that way.
No. Push it. Let's push it here. The one should come like this.
Here. Where you
No, like it should come like this, Papa. Here. Yeah. The one will be able to come.
And where do you put the?
What?
Where do you peg it?
So what do you want us to say?
Here.
No. Let's just here. So you can have access to it.
If you bring it here, right? Open this thing. This thing goes up to that.
Yeah.
That
So
tree there. The doors, they will be opening here.
The door.
Yeah. They will be opening practically here.
Oh.
Yes.
And you can't stay where it is. If it comes slightly here,
Still, if it stays where it is,
no, it comes here, so that the only can be there.
then we'll park the car behind it.
Yeah. So that we can walk as if the running together with this thing is one. Combine the shade, the running.
Oh, for that to happen, then you must have this. Because this back, back to here.
Oh.
Yeah.
But if the back comes here, then it will open this side. Like, remember the running, the door, it will open this side. The door will be face me.
What door?
The door, the house.
This one?
Yeah.
It will face you how?
You are saying the back of the car should be there. Meaning that the this side.
Darling, for it to open right now, right?
Yeah.
This thing has to move all the way up to here.
Oh, okay.
So that the awning can go from here, and then from here, you know what will happen? Because this has come, the back has come here, this one will be like 1, 2, 3, 4. The front will be here, so the awning will be coming into this tree.
Okay, yeah.
The place where we should do it then should be very good. That's where we have space for that. No interference with the trees.
Okay, can you push it the back to be this side so that you can open like this?
Like what? Also that the door faces.
Yeah, like this.
The door faces where?
The only can come off the only can cannot come close to this.
Oh yeah, and the door facing that side.
Yeah. Okay, so what is the suggestion now?
You push it back.
Okay, let's go.
Push it inside there, push it inside.
The basement.
Eh?
Yeah, the basement.
You get that? I guess it's just like... Push, you have to go over that thing. Whatever it is. Let's make it fun.
Come here.
Okay, hit it that time. Hit it. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
The side.
1, 2, 3, go. And then you have this thing this instead of doing this thing.
You're going to the rest.
Yeah, we are not pushing.
Okay, let's push. Let's push.
Yeah, just saying reverse, reverse.
Let's push. Papa, you know what you can do with it? You can just put it there.
What is danger?
Like, putting it like this. Putting it like this. So that the yawning will come like this.
Yeah, we have to push it. For it to go like that. Let me try this. Poking it.
You heard?
You get that?
Oh yeah, next time we should start here, Baba.
Okay.
Let's pretend it's man.
You understand what I do. Yes, perfect.
Oh,
You want to have the view of what?
the view of the sea.
When?
Eh?
When?
Anytime.
From when?
Let's just bring the thing here.
And I will spend the whole day, man. If you had thought of that the first time,
We're sitting here and then we just look at the.
tomorrow this is the parking for the other guys to work on that free one for the center. I think it's fine. Let's start it.
Oh. So we're really far from what we came for, Papa. Huh? We are far from what we came for. Yes?
No, I'm going to sit in.
We just came to get home
I will spend the whole night doing it.
and then put it right here. And then yawning that side.
Good idea, but we'll spend our time.
In hindsight, we learned the importance of sharpening the saw before felling the tree. We wasted about 30 minutes maneuvering our trailer back and forth due to the lack of pre-planning, which resulted in valuable time lost. However, it served as a valuable lesson for future endeavors, and on the positive side, we burned some calories in the process.
The earth proved to be too compacted for the tent pegs to penetrate, leaving us unable to secure the awning. As an alternative, we fastened it to the rocks we got nearby. Despite the challenge of the firm ground, we successfully set up the awning, albeit taking longer than anticipated. Our campsite, known as the Big Four, offered ample space and exclusive amenities, including a private toilet and bathroom with hot water. Nestled by the lakeside, it boasted a shaded, paved sitting area overlooking the serene waters. Positioned at the far end, our spot granted a sense of seclusion, with the only passerby being the security personnel and enthusiasts swimming by on speedboats. As the day drew to a close, we found ourselves utterly fatigued, prompting us to revise our dinner plans from a braai to a humble sauce and bread meal. Fortunately, we had pegged 2 pieces of chicken, offering a modest protein boost to our simple fare. It was a delightful evening, emphasizing the importance of quality time together as a couple and our shared love for camping. This experience isn't solely about financial affordability, but about nurturing our bond and creating cherished memories to last a lifetime. As we carried to bed late, we anticipated the busy day ahead, eagerly awaiting the arrival of our children for a day filled with lakeside adventures and shenanigans. Through our videos, we aim to inspire those who aspire to a similar lifestyle but feel constrained by time. We have come to understand that there is never a perfect time for anything. You simply have to seize the moment while you can. As we continue to grow, our next milestone is reaching 500 subscribers, and with your support, we are confident we can achieve it together. If you enjoy our content, we invite you to support us by subscribing to our channel, liking our videos, and activating the notification bell. Thank you for watching this far. Please subscribe.